You right now is the restoration of my old furniture. We taking it off from the old wood that it has. If the wood is not susceptible to be salvaged, we just change it and have some cuttings made from the people that made hardwood lumbers here. And as you can see, this is the chair. We've taken it off, and I had it like bare sanded to the metal, and then like what JJ is doing right now, putting a red lead primer on it before we do the final coloring to prevent the rust. He's doing it here in my workshop, and this is the other console table, but I don't think I could use the console table that it's the wood that's in here, because it was actually just plywood hollow. But I will just make it as a template for the new solid wood that I'll have it cut for this one. So that this will be the console table for the whole little hallway of my guest house. And this other table here, this is quite complicated to sand, will be for this, but I don't think we can use the bamboo. Inlaying of this bamboo thing seems to be get rotten, and I think this will be another one that we're going to be replacing with solid wood. But the chairs, fortunately, because it's already solid wood, we just sand it now and fill in the cracks there, then we can revarnish it. What you're looking here now is my what you call storeroom, or my workshop area. There you can see all the tools hang. These are all my electricals, plumbing, screws. It's all organized to see where you got it, all the tools there. And these are the paints, and all my cut-off machine, welding machine, vibrator machine. I got some sort of machines that make my life easier when I do building works. But I want it all organized so I could find it. You can see all the different tools, screwdrivers, pliers, all the tools there. At the end of the day, they have to return it, or any of them vacant, you have to find where is it, because it's all listed what we got, and then we cross out the one that's rusted, unusable, and eventually just replace it. So this is my my storeroom, where also my workshop is full of lights. You can see there's like 12 lights on this workshop, so I could work at night. There, and it's closed with a roll-up store. So that's my workshop, very big. Because once in a while I do build houses as my project on the lands that I bought, and some I rent out, some I plug. But like I build this house, I have no contractor. That's why I completed with most of the necessary tools, like the welding machines, cut off miter saws, grinder. I got loads of them already. Some are not usable, but I had just considered the grinder and the drill. That's something that we can't really keep forever. They burnt out after long use, so we like 2 or 3 years replace them. But you can see that I have accumulated a lot of machines. I got air compressor, vibrator engines, quite the typical. I got cement mixers. I used to have two, but I sold the other one when I finished most of the concreting around my house. But when I was building my house, I used two cement mixer because, like I said, I don't have a contractor. I do it myself. But I hire architects and engineers to design the place, and where I can consult them. And yeah, I do the hire and fire, the procuring of materials. So I monitor every single penny I spend on my whole properties and other property. There, on this side, if you can see, there's hooks that I put in. I told you I got 5 ladders. There's 2 ladders, the big ones here. The extended ladders can stay on the side, all the long ones. One in the middle. I got one in the other storeroom, and one inside my house. So that's why I got 5 ladders, A, B, C, E, A, B, C, D, E. And the paint, anything that's not on circulation, like nothing to be used around the house, it's just for one off. I don't store them. I just give them away for the neighbors can still use it. So to keep my stocks fresh. I will eventually repaint the floor. I used to have an epoxy, blue epoxy, but we're working on here for some welding stuff that I want them to do before. So they scratch most of the floor, but I will eventually epoxy the whole floor again. And I'm glad I found some of those epoxy products that I met on the building show. They are more better than it was before, so it will not be looking like this. They have more shinier effect and cleaner effect. So I will then do this workshop too.